In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove white backgrounds in Affinity Designer. Start by opening your image in Affinity Designer and making sure you're working on the correct layer. If the layer is locked, unlock it so you can edit it. For this process, you'll want the Flood Select tool, which behaves like a magic wand. In Affinity Designer, you'll find it in the toolbar when you're in the Pixel workspace. It looks like a wand icon. Select that tool to begin. With the Flood Select tool active, look to the context toolbar at the top and set the tolerance to 10. Tolerance controls how similar a pixel needs to be to the area you click in order to be included in the selection. A lower value like 10 is a safe starting point for white backgrounds because it targets the bright pixels without grabbing too much of your subject. If parts of the white background don't get picked up, you can nudge the tolerance slightly higher. If the selection starts bleeding into the subject, pull it back down. Remember, you can always undo if you go too far. Next, make sure the options for contiguous and anti-alias are enabled. Contiguous tells the tool to select only touching areas of the same color. That way, it won't jump into light areas inside your subject unless they connect. Anti-alias smooths the edges of your selection so you don't end up with a jagged or haloed outline after deletion. These two settings together keep the selection clean and controlled. Now click once on the white background. You should see a marching ants outline appear around the selected area. If your canvas background switches to a checkerboard after deletion, that indicates transparency, which is exactly what you want. With the background selected, press delete on your keyboard to remove it. If some white pockets remain around corners or between hairline gaps, click those areas again with the same settings and press delete once more. If too much disappears, undo and lower the tolerance before trying again. Zoom in and give the edges a quick look. A clean anti-aliased edge should blend smoothly with any new background you place behind the subject. If you don't see transparency, double check that you click the white background rather than the subject and confirm the layer is editable. And that's the complete process. Choose the Flood Select tool, set tolerance to 10, enable contiguous and anti-alias, click the white background and press delete. You now have a transparent background ready for any layout or export.